guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Salmons, and this is Greg. Now today I'm going to be teaching you how I make my Jamaican style steamed fish. Alright? Now before we do that, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that post notification bell as well so you'll be notified each time we post. Alright? Now if there's anything that you see that we use in our videos and you'd like to purchase, just go ahead in our description and you'll see links to all the products that we use. Alright? Go ahead and hit the link, make a purchase. Some proceeds does come to our channel from purchases through the link. Alright? And without further delay, let's get started. Okay, hi guys, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using for our Jamaican style steamed fish and okra. Alright? So you can see we have an assortment of additives like we have the okra, we have carrots, we have also shredded carrots that we're going to put inside of the fish. We also have some potatoes. We have some water crackers that we're going to add. We also have some pumpkins. We have thyme. And I have here some garlic and some green onions. Also, we have fish seasoning, which is a Jamaican brand Easy Spice fish seasoning. And we're also going to be using some of our fish flavored soup mix. All right, and as part of our seasoning, we're going to also be adding a little bit of a salt and pepper mix as well. And here is our snapper. Okay, we have our red snapper, and I'm going to show you exactly how we go about preparing the snapper for steaming. Okay guys, to start the process, we're going to go ahead and just cut 2 slots in our fish like so. Alright. Alright, 2 slots on each side. Alright, and in these slots we're going to be adding our seasoning so as to ensure that it gets fully infused with the seasoning. All right, now remember, always wash your fish. Make sure you get it cleaned properly. Wash it with vinegar, and you can wash it with some lime as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you exactly how we go about seasoning our fish first. Okay, we're gonna take our seasoning mix, and we're gonna make sure we get it all the way into the areas that we had cut. We're also going to include it inside the body of the fish. And this is the mixture of our black pepper salt and also our fish seasoning. Also get it in the head. Alright, just ensure that you season it properly. Alright, flip it on the other side, and we'll go ahead and do the same in the slots that we had cut in the side. Okay guys, so now that we have the powdered seasoning on both our fish, what we're gonna do now is add the stuffing that we're gonna be using. Alright, we're gonna be mainly using okra. You can use callaloo as well. You can use other form of seafood like shrimp. But for today, we're just going to be using our okra. We're going to be using some carrots. We're going to ensure that the body is fully stuffed. We're also going to be putting in our garlic. And a bit of our green onions. Okay guys, so as we continue our process, I'm going to be adding some oil to our pot. All right. I'm also going to go ahead and add some butter as well. Add just a little bit more oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add our butter. Okay, to this I'm gonna go ahead and add, and I forgot to mention at the beginning, I'm gonna add my onions. All right, forgot to mention my onions. We're gonna also go ahead and add the rest of our fresh ingredients. Okay guys, so at this point, while the vegetables have been sauteed, I'm gonna go ahead and also add some thyme. All right. Also, I'm gonna be adding our fish flavored soup mix now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a strainer. We don't need the noodles, we only need the flavoring. All right. So we're gonna be adding the flavoring using this method. So use a strainer, strain out the noodles, and get the flavors in. All right. Go ahead and mix that all together. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and add now our can of coconut milk, or 2 cups of coconut milk. Now, if you don't like the coconut flavor, you could go ahead and just add some water. But for the coconut lovers or people who don't mind coconut, this gives a great added flavor to your steamed fish. You'll get that nice tropical flavor mixed with all these fresh vegetables. Okay guys, so it's time to go ahead now and add our fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some space here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and cover this. All right, and have it steam for about 10 minutes or so. By then, we'll have perfectly made steamed fish. All right, so I'll be back to show you exactly what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the first check on our fish. All right, and just to be clear, for a steamed fish, you don't have to turn it. The fish will be steamed in its own juices as well as what we had added. All right, so we could just leave it as it is. The fish will be completely steamed on its own. It will create its own juices as well. So you'll have a nice kind of a broth at the end of it all. All right, so let's just get this covered again and leave it to complete the process. Okay guys, so when our fish is almost completed, we're gonna go ahead and add our water crackers to the mix. All right, that's our Excelsior water crackers. We're gonna add that to the mix. All right, so it will steam with the fish for the last few minutes. All right, we added this late because I don't want it to, be total mush at the end of the whole process. So that's about enough, and we'll cover it again. Should have about 3 to 4 more minutes left on this. Okay guys, so after a full 10 to 12 minutes on low heat, we're all done. All right, we have our steamed fish with okra and water crackers. Next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and plate it and prepare to eat. All right, so that's how you make steamed fish with okra and crackers. And this is just one version. I have another version on my channel as well that you could go ahead and check out. All right. And there you have it, steamed fish made easy. Now if you gained any knowledge from this video, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that post notification bell as well so you'll be notified each time we post. Now if you do your steamed fish another way, let's go ahead and drop it in the comment section so we can discuss it. If there's any other dish you'd like for us to try, also drop that in the comment section and we'll be sure to get to it. Alright? And until next time, walk good, one love, and big up on yourself.